Wahala o, wahala. Marriage palava no be here. I don't carry another one come this morning o. But before then, I want to welcome you to my channel Ameboupdate, and as you dey watch this video, no forget to like and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel, as that one dey very important. Please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification button so that as new update dey drop, you go dey get the info. Back to the matter of today. Nigerian dancer Korra Obidi enter social media where she tell her fans say like this way the matter be o, she no sure say she go fit marry again, based on say the last one wey she just comot from na katakata end am, and the man wey be say na the two of them dey for altar swear say I do and exchange the whole marriage oath and everything. Finally the two of them no dey together, they don separate. That na why she say if after everything wey she put into the marriage e no still last, omo, she no sure say she get strength to do am again o. She even talk say she dey give elephant style. Abeg, which one be elephant style again? Anyway, make we shall see how she take talk am for the video. No forget to like this video, share, subscribe and turn on the notification button. My name na Pidgin Parrot for Ameboupdate. Thank you.
Can marry again, you know. I don't know, but yeah, it's something I can do in my life again. Because that institution, what it try for, I've tried. I gave them my all, you know. I gave it to them. I gave them my full chest inside that institution. Mama cook, mama shake, yeah. Mama give doggy style, the trampoline style, elephant style, mama fun. It's not easy in that institution, you know. Money Timothy see buy a lingerie me. Please don't try to marry me, oh. Me, I like my space as I become single like this. Before I had to tone down my crate small. Now ain't nobody gonna tell me nothing. Ain't nobody gonna stop me from being myself. Cause I don't think I'm gonna ever marry again in my life. I'm just saying.